And a big question is just how did all this happen here across the Lone Star State with the extreme rainfall we saw? Well, it started with Tropical Storm Barry slamming into northern Mexico. It would have slammed in right in here. The data disappeared, but it would have slammed in right in there across parts of northern Mexico. All the moisture associated with that, well, it was supposed to get stuck across parts of South Texas. The high was supposed to stay strong. The moisture was supposed to rain out over northern Mexico. But unfortunately, that high ended up weaker. That allowed that tropical moisture to move right over the Lone Star State, and then it got sandwiched between two highs, so it couldn't go anywhere. We had showers and thunderstorms develop quickly, accessing all this tropical moisture that led to those really high rain rates. And then you just had nothing steering these storms because they were stuck between these two highs. So you had stationary, very heavy rain-filled storms that led to this insane amount of rainfall, which in many cases was measured in feet, in some cases was measured in 2 feet. Now, the plus side of that is that we really erased the drought across the hill country, and we brought those lakes up big time. So unfortunately, yeah, we had the tragedy, yeah, we had the flooding, but on the positive side of things, and it's good to look on the bright side sometimes, is the fact that these are lakes that really needed the water. Canyon Lake up close to 11 feet this week. It's still 20 feet below there in New Braunfels, so, but at least some improvement there. Lake Travis climbed 20 feet from all the rain that fell, really in its watershed there in Burnett County, still running around 23 feet below. Lake Buchanan came up 9 feet, still running 8 feet below, and we even had rises here in Central Texas coming up close to 5 feet. This last week at Stillhouse Hollow, now 3 feet above normal. Lake Belton up 3 feet and now close to 4 feet above. And Lake Waco up 4 feet this week, now close to 4.3 feet above. So, yeah, we did have the tragedy, unfortunately, but this does help our area lakes. So at least that's a good side of things. And today, the good news is there's no flood watch out there right now. Now, I still expect some showers to develop, and we do have some showers in the Brazos Valley, and I'm monitoring some down here towards Lake Charles in Louisiana. Those may make a run at some of our southeastern counties here going through the day. Mid-70s right now, dew points in the mid-70s as well, so still warm, still humid. It'll be a warm and humid day, though temperatures will stay below July normals in the 80s and the 90s, and we'll watch for showers and thunderstorms to develop across southeast Texas, try to work up into the Brazos Valley. Anywhere across central Texas could see some of these downpours, and if they come, they could come pretty hard, so we do have to watch for that. Things should start to wind down later on tonight. And then tomorrow, still featuring some showers and thunderstorms. It's going to be tough to get this wetness out of here. But once we do so, we'll start to warm up a bit, mid-90s. I do still have some small rain chances Saturday and Sunday because our high is still weaker than expected, but I don't anticipate what happened last weekend to repeat this weekend. Temperatures likely making it in the mid-90s next week.
I'm John Matteries, the on